Traders, good evening and happy Easter, Good Friday. If you celebrate that, this is going to be a end of week and end of month update. Obviously, there's no trading today. It is, what is it? Just past 10 o'clock in the evening in Perth. Let's get that out of the way. So you sort of have to disregard this a little bit. This is originally was set up as a managed account, and then I closed that and then withdrew around 4,500. And I just wanted to start pretty low. So I'm going to get to the numbers, guys, this month, 1.2%. This year, 3.85%. And it was pretty active trade-wise this month as well. So here it is for March. USD Yen, that was a break-even trade. Aussie CAD was a losing trade. Euro Aussie, that was a winning trade. That was a good one. Pound Aussie, losing trade. This was closed out a little bit earlier. And USDCAD. So this one wasn't really well, actually strictly to the rules. And the USDCAD was a winning trade as well. So Euro Aussie was around 1.5% or so, hit the trailing exit. USDCAD, no, 2.5%. This was 1%, break even, 2% loss, 2.5%, sorry, 2.5%, 2%. And that was about 1.5%. So as you can see, 1.2%. So here's the year so far, 4.72 in January, -2 in, if we go to, what was that? What was the trade? Yeah, Aussie USD CAD. So both these trades, these are break-even trades, and the USD CAD, I think that was a losing trade. So that was pretty much it. That's what accounted for. It was just one losing trade, 2 break-evens, and then this month was, what is that? 1, 2, 3. There were actually 5 closed trades. So I would pay attention to this year so far. As my profit, 3.85. Total trades 11. So. And win percentage 63%, which in backtesting that's actually exceeding it. It was around 60%, 58 to 60%, so not too bad. Let's have a look at this, see what the balance is doing. Obviously, because I was withdrawing money, but as you can see, it's pretty flat currently. So and growth, so it's not too bad. Anyway, that is. I'm going to close that down. And I've got this up, so I just want to recap things. So the pound Aussie came down, hit the stop loss, trailing exit, sorry. No, the pound Aussie was a buy trade, and it hit the stop loss. So not quite, actually. I did close that out early, so that's not, it was a little bit naughty of me, to be honest. And the Euro Aussie hit the trailing exit as well. So I've actually got no open positions, and I just want to see how the majors closed out as well. I wouldn't really call this a watch list, not a watch list video, a next week type plan video. Everything's really choppy. There's no decisive moves, and I'm more of a technical type trader where I don't really. I mean, I watch the news, but that won't really instigate a trade. It's all price action for me. So USDCAD, not interesting. Look at the Kiwi, very choppy. Aussie's probably the same, and I trade the 4-hour time frame as well, guys. I put this on a multitude of platforms. This is on LinkedIn, this is on Twitter, it's on Facebook. I share a screenshot of it on Instagram. So feel free to follow me wherever. Aussie dollar 90. I mean, it could break down a little bit potentially. And I think that's about it. No, the pound. Where is that hiding? Something. Interesting. It's a 200-day. So for a sell trade, the 55 has to be below the 200-day moving average, and for a buy trade, the 55 has to be above the 200. So I just have a few simple rules. Nothing really jumping out at me, guys. I'm going to close this down, and I'm going to conclude the video. Thank you for watching. On probably tomorrow or Sunday, I'll do a really in-depth review of what I'm looking at trading. But currently, I see next week is probably no trades. Really, nothing's jumping out at me. But I will keep everyone updated. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.